In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text when you hover over an image in Wix, focusing on creating an engaging visual experience for your website visitors. This feature can be particularly useful for providing extra context or information without cluttering your page. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and navigate to Wix.com. Once you're on the website, click on the login button located at the top right corner and sign in to your account. After logging into Wix, locate and click on Edit Site to open your website in the Wix editor. Now you're in the editor. On the left toolbar, look for the Add button, which may be represented by a plus sign, or you might see it labeled as Add Elements. This is where you can access all the elements you can add to your site. Next, click on Image. From here, you can choose an image from Wix's expansive free library, or if you have a specific image in mind, upload your own. Selecting the right image is essential for the message you want to communicate. Position this image on your page by dragging and dropping it to your desired location. With your image set in place, click on the image itself and a small toolbar will appear. Choose the Design button. This will open a design panel where you can customize the appearance of your image. Once you're here, click on Customize Design, which allows you to tailor your image's aesthetics further. If you look closely, there is an option for Hover. This is crucial for adding that dynamic interaction to your image. Click on Hover, and now it's time to include your text. Head to Add Elements once more, and this time choose Text. Here, you can either start a new text box or choose from existing text styles provided by Wix. Click on Edit Text to input your desired content. Remember, the text should be informative yet concise. It could be a brief description or a fun fact about the image. Play around with the style, adjust the font size, color, and background to ensure that it stands out and is easily readable against the image. Once you're satisfied with how your hover text looks, click on the preview button to see your changes in action. Hover over the image to verify that the text appears as intended and that it enhances the experience of your viewers without being obtrusive. If everything looks great and you're happy with the result, the final step is to click on Publish to make your edits live on your website. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your Wix site more interactive and informative using hover text. Thanks for watching and happy designing!